guys, it's Amy, your Norwex independent consultant. I hope you're having a great day. So today's video is going to be a little fun. It is about my bears. So I always include these bears in my hostess kits, and my hostesses love them. So these are our body cloths. They come in a pack of 3, and I just love sending them out in this cute way. And then I also include instructions for how to use them on the back, and it's just always been a hit. And over the holiday season, I noticed I was getting a lot of questions like, how did you do that? Would you do a video? And so I wanted to go ahead and make this so that if you also want to make a bear out of your body cloth, you have the instructions to do that. So let's get started. So first of all, this is just your standard Norwex body cloth. The Norwex body cloth removes up to 99% of bacteria from your body. It's great. It's what I use to remove my makeup. It's what I use to, clean my kids. It's just an amazing cloth. You don't need soap when you use it. And it comes in a lot of awesome colors. So it comes in this nice teal and vanilla, and the vanilla and graphite. We have a couple solid packs, and then also this really pretty purple and graphite. So I tend to like to use the striped ones because I think they make really nice bears because the center of them ends up being solid. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to do this with a teal body cloth, and what you want to do is you want to start out with the body cloth facing up, or the inside of the body cloth facing up, and you're going to need a couple things. So what I use is these ouchless rubber bands, which you can get at any drugstore for about 300 of them for $1. So they're just these really tiny little rubber bands. They're kind of translucent. So you're going to need those or something similar, and you'll also need some type of ribbon. I found this great pack of ribbon off Amazon that's very economical, and there's loads of it in this roll. So just a nice solid white. And then in addition to needing your rubber bands and your ribbon, you're going to need something heavy to lay on the side. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to roll the body cloth in. So actually, let me back up. So you want to find the middle of your body cloth, and you're going to roll like a little tamale. You're going to roll the side into the center, and you're going to stop when you get to the middle. And the reason why I have something heavy here, I'm going to use this stapler, is because I'm going to let that just be my extra set of hands, right? Moms always need that extra set of hands. So now I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. A nice tight little roll. You don't have to be too tight with it, but just so it's a nice clean roll, if you can see that there. Now this is going to turn into the legs, these two guys, and this will turn into the arms. So you're going to take the top of the body cloth and bring it over the legs. Okay, so I just brought it over and stretch it out so that you're creating that center body here. And then this area is the head. So you're going to kind of push that material up a little bit, like separate it out. Just do it with your fingers. It's really easy. And what it's going to look like before the rubber band is this. It's going to look like this little guy. Okay? So these are our arms and our legs. And then now we're going to make our head, right? So we need the first little rubber band. So try to keep this a little bit tight as you go. And get your first rubber band ready. And I usually don't double this. I think the rubber bands are small enough that they're tight enough on their own. So I just put one little rubber band and make the head. Okay? So see, it's already starting to take shape. So now we need some ears. Okay, so now you're going to take the top material and even it up a little bit. See how this side's a little bit higher? So bring this up just a little bit so it's even. And now you're going to need 2 more rubber bands. You only need 3 for each one. And again, these are really inexpensive. I think you can also get them off Amazon. I originally got mine though at the drugstore, like CVS or Walgreens. So we're going to take, now these you do want to double because you want the ears to be a little tighter. So I'm going to go up and grab some material here where the ear is, put through your first loop, and then do the second loop. We've got ear number 1, and then we're going to go and make the second ear. So just grab that little piece of material there, double it, and now we have ear number 2. Now if anything comes, loose, you can kind of straighten it up at that point, but now you have your little bear. But a bear's not complete without a ribbon, so I'm going to take this ribbon here, and I'm going to just get a piece. You also need some scissors for your ribbon, so I'm just going to get a piece about so long. And you're going to put the ribbon where you put that first rubber band. So that would be like around his neck. So cute. These are really adorable. So I try to not use too much ribbon, but enough so I can get a little bow. There we go. We have our little bear. I'll do one more. So I hope you guys like this. So I'll do a purple one. So when you fold it with the inside facing up, that's how you get that like solid belly. All right, so I'm going to do one with a purple and graphite body cloth, which is one of my favorite colors. So we're going to start the same way. So this one's a little bit more pronounced because it was fresh out of the pack, so it still has that line. So you're going to just take the first side and roll it into that center line. Once you get there, get something hard to hold it in place. We all need an extra set of hands sometimes. And then we're going to bring the other side right to the center. And once we're there, we can move this guy out of the way. So now we have our 2 lines. And again, we're going to, remember these are our legs. So we're going to bring the top. I'm going to leave my hand here. Bring the top, twist, and over the top. So then once it's over the top, then you're going to start spreading it out a little bit. Just so you can make that like area where the head's going to be. So I've made my little area for the head. I'm going to straighten that up a little bit and grab my first rubber band. All right, so we've got our little head is made. Now we're going to pull these out just a little bit so that we can make some ears. So we're going to need 2 more rubber bands for the ears. These are so cute, you guys. My granddaughters, they didn't want me to take them out of the bear shape. They wanted to take a shower with the body cloth in the bear shape. So kids really like these. They're really cute. All right, so we're just doing a double knot or double twist around the ears so they're a little bit tighter. And if anything comes loose, see how this side's a little bigger? You can just pull that down, tighten it up just a little bit, and then grab your ribbon. And make our little bow. And there we go. We have our little bear. A little lopsided, but it's a little more difficult doing it backwards for a camera. So I hope you guys like this. I hope that this answers your questions. I've had a few people ask me how to make these. I think they're adorable, and it's such a nice way to present a body cloth to either your customer or the person that you're gifting them to. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this video.